Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And so today we are going to be playing Gorilla Tag. We're gonna be I don't know. We're just gonna be doing random things. How about we go to Monkey Blocks? Okay, why is there stuff in here? Oh. Updated. 2-1. Dang. Oh, so like, maybe let's destroy it. Not gonna lie, that'll be fun. Ugh. But we do this. How about we do some rearranging here? This is some bad arranging here. So, tell me if I'm doing good. Yeah, just tell me if I'm doing good in the comments, please. Let's see how good I'm doing. Ugh. Ugh. I don't know if I was meant to do that. What am I doing? Am I building a McDonald's? Alright, let's place this over here. Throw that, dump that. We can help me rearrange some things. So, put that there. Move this, put this right there. Let's move the McDonald's. Uh-oh. The McDonald's. No. Our McDonald's. Alright, so we're gonna move our McDonald's. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna move our McDonald's and set it right here. Let's get a wall. We need walls for a Mickey D's. we officially have an off-brand McDonald's. An off-brand McDonald's. Pretty sick. Let's move this right here so we can get up there. And then when you get up there, you'll notice that over here is blocked off. So you'll have to climb a tree. Or you can climb over these blocks if you have pure skill. And yeah, so yep, now we should break it. I'm only letting the Mickey D stand, bro. Oh, the Mickey D's fell down. Ugh, the giant is invading. Ugh. Ugh. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my thumbnail. I have to think about that. I shouldn't be talking about that when you guys are around. My thumbnails are my secret. I'm just kidding. Mickey D's. Ugh. God. Bruh. Dang. Alright, I guess building was it. So, yeah. So, I hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye.